Sanibonani enyangeni yabantu besifazane. I want to say happy Women's Month to all the women in the country. And it's a month of my birthday where I'm celebrating the grace and the love, the mercy of God who kept me up to so far. Today, I woke up with this message that I wanted to share to all my supporters of Nkululeko Khanyi, the people that followed me in all my social media. But today, I wanted to talk to all the women, osisi abancane, osisi abadala, kanti nomama abadala, because I'm here today because of Nina. Ngilokho ngikhona namhlanje kungenxa yemkhuleko yenu, ngilapha ngikhona namhlanje kungenxa yembokodo.